So yo, what's up mga kaboards, and welcome back ulit sa aking channel. So for today's video ay aalis tayo mga kaboards. Samahan niyo ako, bibiyahe tayo pauwi ng Oriental Mindoro Gloria. So bibisitahin natin yung aking anak na si Kira. Yeah, miss na miss ko na rin yung aking baby, ang aming baby ni Commander Kim. So ayan, si Commander ko ay nasa heaven na, no. So ayun, nag-guide na lang tayo palagi ni Mami Kim. And ayun, sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng aking channel, thank you so much sa inyo. And sana tuloy-tuloy lang tayo sa ating pagbablog na to. And yun, sa mga sumusuport at sa susuport pa lang sa aking channel na to, subaybayan nyo ako. At ayun, bibiyahe tayo ng Oriental Mindoro. So ipapakita ko sa inyo mga kaboards kung paano ba papunta doon. From here sa Pasig City, papunta ng Oriental Mindoro. So let's go mga kaboards, samahan nyo ako sa aking paglalakbay ngayong Sunday. Yeah, let's go.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time?
So yan mga kaboards, after 30 minutes na biyahe mula Pasig hanggang dito sa Cubao, Quezon City. Dito na ako ngayon sa tapat ng Ali Mall at dito ako sasakay ng bus papuntang Batangas Pier mga kaboards. At dito na ako sa loob at yung sasakyan kong bus mga kaboards, ito yung Series Transport. So yung may-ari nito taga sa amin, Bacolod City. Yeah, shout out dyan sa kay Yanson, no? Ang big time natin dyan na Series Liner owner na to. Baka naman. So yan dito ha, at pumasok na ako dito sa loob at wala pa masyadong pasahero mga kaboards. At ako pa lang mga kaboards, swabing-swabe oh. Grabe. So yan mga kaboards, habang nag-aantay ng iba pang mga pasahero ay magpapakyut muna ako dito sa aking video mga kaboards, no? Yeah! At dito nga ay swabing-swabe, may ano pa. Yun, may charging port pa dito at pwede kayong mag-charge dito kung malolobat yung cellphone nyo. At ayan. So yung pamasahe pala dito mga kaboards papuntang Batangas Pier ay 268 pesos. Yan. Pagpabalik naman ay iba na naman ang presyo. Yan mga kaboards. Tara, let's go. Samahan niyo ako sa aking paglalakbay papuntang Oriental Mindoro and bruh. So yan mga kaboards, dumating na ako dito sa Batangas Pier after 3 hours na biyahe mula Cubao. And then yun, maglalakad muna tayo dito. May konting pa-cute lang tayo dito sa video, no? Kahit hindi naman cute mga kaboards. Agree na lang kayo mga kaboards. So ayan, papasok na ako dito sa loob ng terminal, and then dito pipila muna tayo para bumili ng ticket. So Montenegro pala yung sasakyan ko dito mga kaboards. And then kung gusto nyo kumain dito, magkape, meron po dito sa loob, at bumili kayo ng pasalubong pwede. So ayan, nagbayad ako ng 598 pesos plus 30 pesos na terminal fee mga kaboards. So yung biyahe ko dito is 12 noon kasi ito lang yung maaga na aalis. Kasi yung the rest na biyahe ay 4 PM pa. At ayun, dito na rin ako sa loob mga kaboards. Dito yung waiting area kung saan tatawagin kayo para mag-onboard sa barko. Ayun mga kaboards, napakalawak na ngayon yung terminal dito sa Batangas, no? And then tinawag na kami dito mga kaboards para umakyat na ng barko kasi yung mga cargo trucks at mga ibang kargamento nauna na doon na ipinasok. So yun mga kaboards, yung itong roll on roll off na barko, ito yung project ni Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, no? Hindi ko na maalala kung kailan niya to ginawa. Siya yung may pakana nito yung pagkakaalam ko. So yan mga kaboards, naglalakad na kami dito papasok ng barko. Yeah, samahan niyo ako sa aking paglalakbay dito. At ayan mga kaboards, konting pakyut ulit. Wala tayong magagawa kasi video ko to mga kaboards. Kailangan natin magpakyut at i-boost natin yung ating self-confidence. So yan, nandito na kami sa loob ng barko, and then yun, hahanap muna tayo ng pwesto kasi wala namang designated na seats na para sa pasahero. Kahit saan ka lang pwede ka. And then nagutom na nga ako dito kasi mag-aalauna na mga kaboards. So pagpasok ko dito sa sa canteen nila, walang tindang mga kanin, mga ulam. So yung tinda lang dito, mga chichirya, soft drinks, at ayan, itlog, tsaka cup noodles na lang tayo. Talo-talo na to hanggang maghapon na to. So yung biyahe ko dito mga kaboards from Batangas to Calapan Pier is 3 hours dahil yung barko na to ay luma na. So tiis-tiis na lang tayo dito mga kaboards. Makita lang natin yung ating anak at sila ni tatay at mama. So yun mga kaboards, sa pagpasok mo pala dito sa barko, mayroon sila dito ang tinatawag na sauna. So pwede kayo magpapayat dito para kung gusto niyo mag-reduce ng weight, yan, dito kayo tatambay sa loob. Nakikita niyo naman yung mga tao dito, may kanya-kanyang pamaypay dahil nagtitipid yung kumpanya na to. Walang aircon. So shoutout sa inyo Montenegro Lines, no. Sana madami pa kayong mapapayat na mga pasahero nyo. Sa mga gusto magpapayat, dito kayo sumakay sa Montenegro Shipping Lines. So yan mga kaboard, swerte ko dito kasi yung conductor dito ng bus na series tours ay may mga bakante pang upuan at naghahanap pa sila ng pasahero, kaya yun, dito na ako sumakay dahil paglabas ko dito maghahanap pa ako ng van. Paglabas ko ng barko maghahanap ako ng van, mag-aantay pa kung kailan magpupuno, so matatagalan pa dito. Paglabas ng barko, yung bus na to, diretso na to, land travel na. Ito ay biyaheng Mansalay, Bulalakaw mga kaboard. So let's go mga kaboard, samahan nyo ako dito sa aking paglalakbay. Pauwi na ako nito ng Gloria Oriental Mindoro. Yeah! So yan mga kaboards, no, papakita ko lang yung map ng Oriental Mindoro. Na kung saan galing tayo dito ng Calapan. So yan, sumakay ako ng bus. So yung bus na to ay madadaanan niya yung bayan ng Nauhan. So yung bayan ng Nauhan mga kaboards ay ito yung pinaka popular sa lugar na to sa Oriental Mindoro, na kung saan palaging binabaha mga kaboards. Grabe yung baha dito. Masa-stranded talaga yung mga bus dito, mga sasakyan, kung tuloy-tuloy yung ulan. So yun, yung sunod ng bayan ng Nauhan ay Victoria na mga kaboards. Pagkatapos ng Victoria ay Socorro, kung saan yung daanan nito ay zigzag, hindi malapit sa dagat. Tapos sa looban nito mga kaboards ay yung bayan naman ng Pola. So hindi siya malapit sa highway yung bayan ng Pola. So pagkatapos ng Socorro mga kaboards, Pinamalayan na. So after ng Pinamalayan, makarating na po natin yung bayan ng Gloria, kung saan dito pinanganak yung aking commander na si Kim. So 2 hours yung biyahe dito mga kaboards, no? Medyo malayo din ng konti. At yung bayan ng Gloria ay nasa gitna ng Oriental Mindoro, no? Sa mga bayan na yun, nasa gitna siya mismo. So yun mga kaboards, no? Bago ang lahat, shoutout muna natin yung Solas family, yung mga kamag-anak ni Commander Kim. Yun, thank you so much. And yun, samahan nyo ako sa aking paglalakbay, sa aking kwento dito sa mundo ng YouTube.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back.
Tao po. Oh. Oh, kumusta ikaw? What are you doing? You play? Sito, hi. Hi daddy, hi. Kiss. Mwah. Kamusta ikaw? Ha? Nag-play ikaw? So, let's go inside. So what's up mga kaboard? So andito na tayo ngayon sa Gloria, sa bahay ni Commander Kim ko. Ayan, nandito na ang aking baby na si Kira. Say hi to say hi to my vlog. Say hi. Salita ikaw. Ha? Ha? Oh, your toy. Come on. Sit here beside daddy. Oh. Let's talk. Anong sasabihin mo kay daddy? Anong sasabihin mo? Dito ka, tingin ikaw dito. Oh, sabihin mo kay daddy, ano? Hello, and then nag-school ikaw na maayos? School ikaw? Mag-school ikaw? Okay. 1 plus 1. 2. How about 1 plus 2? 3. Oh, galing.
4 plus 5.
Pawis ikaw. Mana ka kay daddy mo, pawis eh. Antok pa si daddy. So let's go! Come on! So ayun mga ka-boards, nandito tayo sa likod ng bahay at ang kapal na ng saging dito. Ang dami na ng saging na nakatayo ngayon dito. So ito naman ang kubo-kubo na ginawa ni Tatay Toby. And then dito tayo. Vlog world? Oh, you want to vlog? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Ay, si Sebio. Sebio, how are you? Ha? Nakakulong ka na dyan. Nangangagat ka eh. Si Sebio ay nakakulong dahil nangangagat. Nakailang kagat na, 3. Ayan na. Sing, you sing. You sing. I will teach you how to vlog. I will teach you how to vlog. Vlog. Okay? Okay, tell me your name. Sabihin mo, what's up, what's up?
What's up?
My name? My name, it's me, Kira. You say it, you say
My
it.
name is Kira.
Day 2.
Sabihin mo, welcome to my vlog.
Can't see the vlog.
Hawak sa akin. We will go to Mommy's house. No? Mommy's house. Oh, Mommy's house. Oh. Ayun, no? So what's up mga ka-boards? So dadalawin natin yung bahay ni Mommy. Mommy's house. Oh. Ganda. Yan si Mommy. Mommy, good morning. Tignan mo si Mommy, oh, nakasmile. Yung lapidan na lang, Mommy. Okay. Bakal pa lang tayo. Bakal pa tayo. Riel, ano sasabihin mo kay Mami? Sabihin mo kay Mami, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Wag. Nagsisindi muna tayo ng kandila, mga ka-boards.
Hindi mo din eh.
Dito.
It's too hot. It's too hot. It's too hot. Be careful.
It's hot.
It's so hot.
It's hot?
Hot. Let's video mommy. Okay, there you go. Let's go.
Oh, dito. Let's go home yun, no? Babay ikaw. Mamaya pa tayo uuwi.
Karga.
Ano ka muna
Hey,
ka,
look
Mami?
at mommy. Put that corner.
Kausapin mo muna si Mami.
Hey, I wanna.
Ayan.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every
Sabi mo,
time I
Mami.
wake up, I feel like it's Monday.
Goodbye, Mom.
Running thought of chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden, I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and
Mami, Mami.
never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I know you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Eh, mamaya.
As you
Ano
fade
pangalan ng vlog mo?
away.
Ano pangalan ng vlog mo?
Kira.
Kira.
As you fade away.
Masarap
As you
magsalita
fade
dito.
away.
A few inches later.
So ayun mga kaboards, no, uwi ang time na dahil 2 days lang yung bakasyon ko dito, off ko dahil hindi na-approve yung aking leave. So salamat pala kay Tatay Toby, kay Mama Resi sa pag-alaga sa aming anak ni Commander Kim na si Kira. So yun mga kaboards, pupunta na nga kami ngayon dito sa Pinamalayan na kung saan doon na lang ako sasakay ng van papuntang Calapan Port. So yun, kakain muna kami dito at bibili ako ng pinaka sikat dito na banana chips para may pasalubong tayo sa mga katrabaho natin. Siyempre yung iba bibenta natin mga kaboards. So yun mga kaboards, thank you so much sa pagsuporta ng aking channel. So sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe ng aking channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated po kayo sa mga latest na video na gagawin ko next time mga kaboards. Music Maestro!
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Flashing red lights, driving at night. Windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do.
Magkano po dito? Hindi, yung ito yung pinapabili ng ano ko eh. Ito ba? 8. 50. Yung ito po yung isang pack. 160. May tingi ba na? Wala no? Ito yung ano, isa, yung itong tawag, ito yung nakapak 33. Apat lang. Hindi, okay na ito. Ito yung gusto nila eh. Ay, gusto mo ito? Gusto mo ito? Ayan, durog. Magkano po yan? Sige po, isa. Ayan. Ito siya yung malas niya. Sige po. Yung... Masarap yan. 5. Kasama na yan, 582. Po? Kasya naman siguro yun. Ito po. Oh. Ano sa daddy? Isa na kiss.
Patay na kay daddy. Pag na kay daddy ka.
Ayun oh. Ano po nga?
Sige, sige. Sige.
Tay. Sige, ingat kayo. Ingat. Neneng, bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequences.